What supplements, Weighing Nation? We have been getting lots of questions regarding raw CBUM supplements. So this is a quick video explaining the product line. This is the pre-workout line of CBUM supplement. We are gonna start off with the most basic. Babalik ka pa lang ulit mag-workout and medyo mababa yung tolerance mo sa pre-workout or caffeine. Itong essential pre-workout, yung pinaka-basic line natin or pinaka-basic variant natin. And syempre, kung gusto mong i-take sa next level yung training mo, gusto mo nang mas maging hardcore. Next naman natin ay yung Savage pre-workout or Savage pre-workout, Weighing Nation. Compared to the essential pre-workout, mas makakaramdam ka lang ng kick dito sa Savage pre-workout natin. And lastly, if gusto mo na talagang i-take even higher yung training mo or yung pre-workout mo, ito na yung best of the best natin, creme de la creme natin. Ito yung Super Savage or Super Savage pre-workout ni CBUM. So CBUM Essential Pre-Workout has many flavors. Comes in 30 servings. Meron tayong blue raspberry, citrus grapefruit, sour watermelon, nabubulol din